Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to manually add wireless Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to add your Wi-Fi network manually on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here control panel. You can see here control panel, click on this. After that you will find your network and internet. If you are not seeing option, here you can see view by. You have to select as category, click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center. Here you can see set up a new connection or network, click on this. Then you have to select this third option, manually connect to wireless network, then click on next. Then you have to add your Wi-Fi name, select your security type and enter your Wi-Fi password, then click on next, then close this window. After completing this step, then you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then your Wi-Fi will be displayed that it is connected. If you are not seeing this manually connect to wireless network option, you are not seeing this option, then what you have to do, you have to just type here reset or type network reset. You can see network reset, click on this and click on reset now. After completion of this process, restart your PC, then try to connect your wireless with this method what I have shown here. That's it guys. So in this way you can manually add wireless network to your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.